Well, the Pulaski County Special School District is hoping to require masks this school year, and PCSSD Superintendent Dr. Charles McNulty joins us now to talk a little bit about the plans for the year and what we can expect. So thanks so much for joining us this
Good
morning.
morning.
Yes.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, definitely. So I know you are planning to go to the school board tonight and ask about the mask policy. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure. You know, and let's be honest, in June we didn't think we'd be here. And it came up so quickly, and the Delta variant has been a game changer. You know, we're going to request the board to look at a 60-day mask mandate in the schools, and that's indoors, and then reevaluate it, working with the Arkansas Department of Health, Arkansas Department of Education. But right now, you know, our focus is getting a safe start to school. We've learned so much in the last year and a half that we feel like that we can provide a safe education for our students and still provide good instruction.
Yeah, definitely. And will you guys, what other precautions will you guys be taking in the schools as well?
Well, you know, we're still physical distancing as best we can. We know that our schools are going to be a lot fuller this year, so we're going to do our best. Now, we're going to, you know, allow guests in our schools, but we're going to ask them to keep their time limit short in case we have to contact trace, and also, you know, be aware of physical distancing.
Yeah. So. And you mentioned the schools will be fuller this year, so is there a virtual option for students?
We do. We have the Driven Virtual Academy that we'd actually set forward years ago, and was ready for it this year. Right now we have a cap of 500 students, and we've hit that cap, and we're going to go back to the state board and request 250 more to that cap.
Yeah. So as far as vaccinations go with teachers, do you have like a percentage of how many staff?
It's between 65 and 70%. We're going to also request the board to approve $200 for everybody who's been vaccinated on or before October 1st. And then we will be providing 10 days of COVID leave, but if our professional staff don't use it, we'll be providing $87 per day at the end of the year. Maybe even get some beach time.
Yeah, that's a good incentive there. So what can people expect as far as this is a new school year? It is an exciting time as well. With COVID aside, what can parents and students expect this year?
Well, you know, we're doing the same thing, we're just doing it better. We want to give our students great activities, extracurricular opportunities around STEM, around sports, around theater, the fine arts. We want to make sure that our schools are engaging, enriching, and rigorous. And we just want to center on our students and elevate them and let them shine. Yeah,
definitely. And if there are any parents out there who maybe are, you know, a little concerned, they're a little worried about the school year, what would you tell them?
Certainly contact your principals, your teachers. You know, we're transparent. You know, I think that's one of the great things about our district and our Board of Education. They're honest people. They're going to make the best decisions for kids, and they're transparent. And we're not hiding anything. It is what it is. As I said in June, we had great plans, and we were looking forward to a less pandemic-influenced school year. But here we are, and you know, with support of the governor's office and support of Arkansas Department of Health, we'd like to be through this quickly.
Yes, I agree with you. I think we can all agree with that as well. Well, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
All right, thank you so much.
Yes, all right.